everyone, I'm back and I just posted a video, but this is going to be the last video for the day. And then I'll probably post some more videos tomorrow. And the reason why I'm posting a lot of videos today is because I haven't been posting in a long time. So I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an anime eye. So there's going to be a picture right now. Okay, so you saw that picture, so now I'm going to draw not the same eye, but I'm just going to draw an eye. So first thing you got to do is, okay, I'll show you just step by step. So you got to do something like this. If you guys can see that. I think you guys can see that. So yeah, you have to draw something like that. And after that, I'm going to do the next step. Okay. Now draw something that looks like this. Hold on. Okay. So now you should have something that should look like that. So you can probably already see what the eye will look like. So once you have that, you just got to add some different stuff to the eye to make it more realistic. I'll show you after. So I just added a little bit of stuff right there. And now time to make the actual eye part, like that part. So you gotta basically just do a circle in the middle. So actually no, before you do the circle, this is one thing you gotta know. So do this, and then do the same thing on the other side. So do that and add something so it looks good. So now the eye should look like that. So once you have that, you could just add some. Before we color in the eye, you could do whatever color you want. Like maybe if you like anime, you can do something that's in the anime eye. Like in Naruto, there's different eye types and stuff. So now you can do the eyebrows. I'm just going to do that. Stop. Okay. So it should look like that. Now, okay. This is just my annoying sister. Okay, whatever, just ignore her. So once you have that, you can start coloring in the eye. Okay, stop. Just go. Okay, so just start coloring in the eye. Make sure you're doing a good job, but I'm probably not doing a good. I'm not doing a good job because I gotta do this fast. Because when I start uploading and do the editing. Okay, so now the eye should look like that. So you can add some more detail to make it look like an actual anime eye. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.